All day long, News 2 is talking about ways to stay storm safe. I'm now joined live on the phone by the Mayor of Franklin, Ken Moore. So Mayor Moore, good morning. We appreciate you joining us here today to share some, important information with the community. When we're talking about flooding in particular, Mayor Moore, I was just in Franklin last week and saw the flooding that y'all were experiencing. So when the forecast calls for that, what's your mentality like and what goes through your mind?
Well, you're exactly right, and we have had recent flooding in Franklin with all of the rain, and we have a couple of areas in our city that do flood on a regular basis whenever we have those significant storms. And so, first of all, we're very, very interested in public safety and protecting the public, and so we do have a couple of streets that we close. Really the challenge for us is older areas of Franklin that were built many years ago. The new construction, we have some very, very strict planning procedures. Stormwater and engineering look at these very, very carefully, and then of course we monitor those projects as they're constructed. But those older properties, we've been recently addressing them by looking and working with the Corps of Engineers, and we're in the middle of a process to elevate 20-plus homes to get them out of the floodplain. And then also one of the bridges that comes into Franklin actually acts as a dam, and long term we'll be changing that bridge out so that it does not block the water, and that'll bring additional homes out of the floodplain.
So while you all continue to work to make those changes in older communities, Mayor, and seeing what happened in Waverly just over 6 months ago with the flooding, devastating, deadly flooding there, what's your advice to residents when it comes to flooding in Franklin and other parts of Middle Tennessee?
Well, water is a very, very powerful force. And whenever I'm watching the news and hear people say, "Don't go in the water. Don't drive your car in the water." This is serious stuff. The car can be become a floating object very, very easily. So stay away from those flooding areas. Follow those safety signs that we put out whenever there is significant rain. But long term, I think we're looking to work with the state and the General Assembly as far as creating an interagency task force that may be able to address and develop a plan and create funding long term that will help communities all across Tennessee to prevent flooding. And of course, we always look to our environmental partners, which we work with Cumberland River Compact to make sure that we're working on stream cleanups and things of that nature and stream restorations.
Okay, well, thank you so much for your time, sharing your insight, and for all the work y'all are doing to keep communities in Franklin safe, Mayor Moore. We appreciate it.
Thank you so much for having me. Y'all have a great day.
You too, sir. Thank you. And folks, remember our storm safe coverage continues all day today on News 2. Coming up on News 2 at 4, we'll hear from a storm survivor.